In keeping with many large organisations, and of course especially being connected with the FTSE 100 company in the form of British Land, our procurement processes are very robust, as you can imagine. But the big thing for me on the ground really is cultural alignment. And that's what we've very much found with SAS Energy. A real strong customer focus, very professional, that really landed well on the ground with very strong health and safety credentials behind the scenes, which of course is really important as well.
SAS Energy always delivers a guaranteed installation of the highest quality. They're very tight on project management and communication, which is essential on the scale of projects that we deliver, often on very busy roofs.
Working with SAS has been so simple. They have taken the work in their stride, and any questions I've had they've answered very, very quickly and efficiently. For the university, this has been a great success. We're using this as a springboard to incentivise all staff and students to take action themselves to help reduce the university's carbon footprint.
I think SAS have made the process stress-free by planning well. So the whole project's been planned very well. They know obviously solar panels and install it inside out.
I've been in the industry for the last 15 years, in the solar PV industry, and I've watched SAS grow from being a small company to being one of the most respected solar PV installation companies in the industry. The reputation is second to none, and from my experience, I could not find fault. They were absolutely incredible.
Dixon's Carphone, we're working really hard to reduce our energy consumption by 30% by the year 2020 and our carbon emissions by 35%. And this project is helping us to do this. So this solar panel installation is the second building that we've done. When we saw how effective the first building was, then we wanted to do as much as we possibly could.
TH Clements wanted as large a system as possible to cope with our ever-increasing energy bills and to help with our carbon footprint. The installation was done quick and efficiently with no disturbance to our business. We chose SAS Energy as they seemed the most professional, knew everything about health and safety and offered us great advice. All involved communicated well, so we knew what was happening at all times.
SAS Energy impressed us with their knowledge of installations and the PV market. SAS managed the project really well. It was on budget, on time, everything completed safely. Very happy with SAS.
This is the largest installation on a school within the country, a fact that we are very proud of and hopefully will help inspire other schools or organisations to look at the benefits of large-scale solar installations.
Investing £60 million in transforming the centre, but by far the biggest impact will be had is a photovoltaic installation that has just been completed here at Meadowhall, pretty much covering the whole of the roof space here at Meadowhall, but will reduce our energy consumption by a further 13% on top of what we've already done. So really reducing our carbon footprint even further. The experience that we had on the ground was extremely positive, and we're really happy to move down the route with using SAS Energy. Well, I did think, given the scale of the installation, that there would be an impact on day-to-day management, but the reality has not been that at all, and it's been very seamless as a whole process and really not impacted upon the centre at all.
It's by far the biggest of any solar installation that we've installed so far at National Trust Properties. It will generate enough electricity to source electricity for about half of the Wimpole estate's annual needs. The installation team have been really friendly and professional on site, so thank you very much to SAS Energy for helping us to achieve some of our renewable energy goals.